Hello. So here is this Kobalt KM210 lawnmower. It's very good, but right now it's not starting. So here you can see this plug is on, and it's plugged is already on. And let's see if we can push it to start. So it's not working right now, it's not operating, no movement in this. So let's try to see what is going on here, see if we can fix it. Okay, so we'll use this Allen key to open this cover, and before that we need to disconnect the electrical wire. So now there is no current and no electric, so safety is very important. So now let's start opening the cap. So now you can see we have opened this cover. It was with some 1 2 3 4 5 6 screws were there, and here's too much grass inside. And on this side, if you will notice here, so this spring and this screw is this connection is very loose, or it's not, any spring is outside, which should not be like this one. On the other hand, this another terminal is really fixed, so we need to fix this one. Then and we need to clean all the grass first here, then probably it will be much better. So let's blow the air first with the blower. So we have a blower. Probably I have to find out if we can find another plate here. This plate might be inside here grass, so I will find out first. So let's check everything. So now you can see we have removed all the grass here, and very gently check if nothing is loose. So we lost one spring, small spring here, and this terminal came out. On the other hand, this is perfect. So let's clean this once again with the blow air. And then once it will be really clean, then we'll start to reconnect this terminal here. So now it's all grass is clean, inside is also clean. It's time to remove these terminal, both of them. So we need to push from this side and pull it outside. Push from this side and pull out this side. Okay, so we'll start. We need a screw. So let's see if we can use this to push out, push inside. It's tight, really tight inside. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, probably they are here holes. Maybe we need to. Okay, I need another. They are really tight. So now here you can see I have just opened this side, make it straight, and this spring was inside like this here. So this spring came out, and if you will remove slowly, gently, this is a graphite electrode with the wire, So probably I need to find another graphite with this spring. And here you can see this is holder which hold the another terminal. The wire is brick, and this side, one side is okay, this side, but this side is broken. So we need to find out to purchase this terminal with this electrode. We'll see if we can find out how much it will cost, and then we need to replace it. So we'll show you. Next thing, we have opened 4 more screws here to remove this plastic holder also, and on this side here you can see it's all burned out, and this is another graphite bush, but because of the burn it's not coming out. We tried very hard, so probably we need to change the whole this plastic adapter as well. So let's try to unplug all these terminal first, then we will remove. So it was very hard for us to find this white part because one terminal was broken or burned. So I ordered a new motor from Sears parts. So they gave me this new motor. It's $55, but here you can see in this motor this is the same part came and just arrived, and in this motor they did not have this portion, this part. So now I have to replace. So this part do not have, which is the KBPC3510. So now I have to remove this AC adapters and place it on this motor. So it's very easy, just you need an Allen key and keep turning, it will come out. So now you can see I have replaced a new connector here in the new motor, and now opening this blade we need a big wrench to open it, and when I'm rotating it's making some noise. So now we need to open the motor from these 3 bolts, 1 2 3, and then we'll remove this motor from here, faulty motor. So here you can see I have removed the old motor, and it's all empty right now. So this is the old and broken motor, and now we have to put the new motor. And this these screws are very unique screw, and I need a torque Allen key, very different Allen key to open these one. So now it's time to start assembling. So let's make it straight first. So we need to clean this area first, and this rubber gasket will go first, and before that we need to apply some glue. So this is the glue, super glue we'll apply here, and then place this like this one, and then electric motor will be mounted on this one. And now new motor has been mounted with the rubber gasket. Now it's time to screw it from the bottom. So we'll tilt it like this. Make sure they will go on the correct place, all these things. One, two, and three. So we have to push it once it will be aligned on the other side. So now you can see we have installed the new motor here, and next is a installation of the blade. So blade portion will go, this will go first here like this, and then this fan will go, then blade will go. Blade adjustment very easy because there is one half circle and there is one full circle, so it's very easy to fix it like this. And then this will go, and then this metal part, so they will be adjusted like this. So let's set up this blade. So now this blade part is installed. Make sure this is real tight, and now it's time to turn and set up electrical connection on this side. So we need to tighten the screw here. There are 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. Then we will connect all these electrical connector. So now the new motor has been installed. I have tied all these 3 screws very secure, and now it's time to connect all the electrical wires. So this if you remember, you can watch the previous time video. This yellow terminal will go here, blue will go to the negative end, this yellow one will go on here, blue will go here, then white will go on this one, and then black and then green will go here. So we'll connect all these wires, then we are ready to check it. Now you can see I have connected all these wires, and make sure they are really tight. They should not come out easily. blue, black. If needed, you can use the plier to tighten them. And now it's time to test. Yeah, use the plier if needed. So I press it like real tight. Now it's time to test if it is everything fine. So now you can see our motor replacement operation mission was successful, and thank you for watching. Just want to show you once again. So now we will cover this and then we'll show you how it is cutting the grass. Thank you.